first we have to start with Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin moves to downside, everyone is going down to the... But right now, Bitcoin is starting again. So we have to watch... Fuck, it's getting rejected. It's getting rejected. Oh, no. It's going down. You see, it's going down. So this is, you see, this is the danger, because then all altcoins starting to dump. We have a lot of liquidity here starting at 75K. 75K till 70K is the first chunk of liquidity. But on the very big picture, the interesting thing is, on the very big picture, if we are checking out on the very big picture, this is what I found while I was eating burritos. The very interesting thing is that after we broke this previous all-time high, you see, this is the all-time high for 2020-21, which we had. Maybe I make it a little bit bigger so you see it even better. Wait a minute. Here, this is the previous all-time high from 2021. And if we are watching in the history, when we closed this crazy candle, what we had yesterday closed, this weekly candle, usually we never revisited this previous, the local top, the historical local top, never again. You see, here was also this huge candle. So what happened with the next weekly candle? You see, this was the all-time high when we broke 2020, when we broke the previous all-time high from 2017. Here's the previous all-time high, you see? So what happened? This is right now, it looks exactly like our weekly candle, this candle, yeah? And this is the second candle. So the second candle where we are right now, the second weekly candle. You see this one. And what is interesting is that the breakdown where we are all afraid of was only from the all-time high of our weekly candle was only by 10%. Approximately. So in case we see right now a break of 10% from our all-time high candle, I mean this one which we closed, 10%, we would see Bitcoin at 72K, which is totally fine. Nothing will happen to altcoins. And 72K, they would grab all the liquidity. Please take the liquidity, but leave my altcoins alone. Leave Britney alone, and leave altcoins alone, and leave Justin Bieber alone. So this is very important to watch. I'm so afraid of. But what is another nice thing, but also danger, is the total crypto market cap. I told you the most important thing is the total crypto market cap. And here we have again the total crypto market cap was running from $2 trillion start of the week to $2.7 trillion end of the week. So each candle represents a week here. You see, we had a pump of over 500 billion into the market was pumped, and this is BlackRock, every of these ETFs which are pumping into the market. But what's interesting, where nobody's speaking about is in the truth is, we never broke all-time high on the total crypto market cap. This is our all-time high from 2020. We never broke it to the upside as you see it. We never broke it yet. And again, if we compare historically, and this is how we identified exactly the bottom in 2022, because we just watched the previous all-time high. The previous all-time high from 2017, we just touched it, you see, and then we had the bull run starting. So actually the bull run started to be very clear in 2020, end of 2022. This exactly when we touched the all-time high from 2017. But what we have to watch right now is this cup and handle. You see here, whoop, when we broke in 2020, the all-time high from 2017, this is when the crazy part started. So again, the insane thing is the retarded, this part even didn't start it yet, because we didn't broke all-time high on our total market cap. And what's interesting is to watch what happened when we touched the previous all-time high from 2020, or from the previous bull market, which is in 2021. What happened? Got we rejected? Saw we total crypto market cap going down? Because if total crypto market cap going down, then Bitcoin is going down and all the altcoins going down. And in the history of Bitcoin, we saw here in the bull market in 2020, so the previous bull market, as soon as we start touching, it was I mean, you know what we start touching, the all-time high, not what do you think. As soon as we start touching, it got volatile. We saw dips from 15, 20%, 15 to 10%. We saw here the dips. You see here, we saw some dips of 20% even, which is also okay. 20% on total crypto market cap is also billions of dollars. But this is where it got a bit volatile and we got rejected, where we got rejected. And right now, you see it here exactly. There are two lines. There's one line here, because this is the exactly where we closed one weekly candle, the body, and this is the wick of the body. So the first line represents the wick, the second line represents the body, as you see it here. And you see, as soon as we touched the body all-time high, see it, the body all-time high, we got rejected. And the same happened as soon as we touched the wick. So we had 2 times rejection. The good thing about right now, we have still a bit to go. So we still have $2.8 trillion to go. I mean, not 2.3. We have still 72 billion to go. So we have a little pump in front of us until we possibly could get rejected and see Bitcoin dumping, hopefully only to 70K. And another interesting part. Wait, I forgot to tell you another interesting part. What is so crazy. Wait. I have to. No, Pepper, we will speak in a second about. I have to go back. The interesting thing is, as I told you, as soon as we broke the previous all-time high, here you see, always the bull market, the crazy part of the bull market start, the real boom, boom, you see. And if we are watching the previous, I told you we didn't have major dumps after we broke the previous all-time high, not on total crypto market cap, but on the price. And the crazy thing is, we saw a pump. The first big pump was over 112%. You see, 112%. And the first candle, which we broke the all-time high, was 28%. 28%. Right now, our candle, which the first where we broke the all-time high, was how much? 23%. You see, we had only 1, 2, 3, 4. Within 4 weeks, we made in the previous bull market, as soon as we broke all-time high, we made over 122%. So imagine if we have right now also 4 green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you see we broke all-time high, and if it's also around 100%, then we would reach $135,000 within the next 3 weeks. This is crazy. This could happen because we didn't have any major resistance also in the previous, not major resistance, but not any major dumps in the previous bull market. As soon as we broke the previous all-time high, the only danger where I'm watching is the total crypto market cap, because on total crypto market cap, so all the money in the market cap, we never broke yet the all-time high. So I'm a little bit nervous if we're going to $2.8 trillion or $3 trillion total crypto market cap. This is what we have to watch out. This we're a bit worried about,